Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to lock your Facebook application with Fingerprint ID. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the official Facebook application. So the Facebook application doesn't have a Fingerprint ID from the entrance to it, but what we do have is in the Messenger application. So we're going to go ahead and open up the Messenger application right here. If you do not already have it, you can go to the App Store, search for Messenger, find the application itself. So you can go ahead and open it up, and after opening it up and logging into your Facebook account, you're going to go and be greeted by the main page where you can take a look at all your chats, and right here in the bottom right corner we can open up the menu. So in the menu we are now going to go and be greeted by this new menu with all the settings that we can access, and now we can get started with setting our fingerprint ID. So how can we do so? Well, what we want to do in this menu is to open up the settings option right here at the top of the screen. Open up the settings. In the settings options right here, we can take a look at all the settings we can access, such as our security alerts, active status, and so on. We want to open up privacy and safety. This is what we want to open up, and from here guys, you can see we're going to have an option under security that says require Face ID or a passcode. This is for iPhone. On my phone it's using a Face ID. If you're on an Android phone that uses Touch ID, then you're going to have that option as well. But basically you can open it up, and from here you can turn it on so that whenever you open up the application and this Messenger application itself, you're going to require Touch ID or Face ID, whichever you use. So this is how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.